How to add effects in KineMaster. Now, in order to add effect in KineMaster, you just simply need to open the clip which you would like to edit at very first. Just simply import the clip, then after that you can see this page. Now, after coming in this page, you just simply need to tap into this layer option from here, and after that this effect will appear. Simply tap to effect. Now you can easily add any effect that you want in this video, and if you want even more effect, you can also buy the premium and use the premium effects in your video. For example, I am using this basic effects from here. For example, Gaussian blur from here. As you can see, the effect is added into the video. You can also adjust the effect by dragging from this layer menu. Just simply do all of that. Wherever you want the effect, just simply put it into the effect, and as you can see here, whenever you play the video after applying the effect, it will show in the video. This is how you add effect in KineMaster. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.